Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me once again. So in this video I am going to show you a simple home remedy that you can use to lighten your dark knuckles. The darker pigmentation on your knuckles may be inherited, or it may be a reaction to a drug or a harsh chemical. So what we are going to do is we are going to take our clean bowl and then we are going to mix the baking soda, the lemon, and the toothpaste, everything together. After mixing everything together, spread the paste over your knuckles and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Repeat this process every day for at least 2 weeks. Always moisturize after using lemon juice on your skin. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more.